Hey, I'm Kate. I put together this little video just to show you some basic welds that I can do. So this piece has been purging for a few minutes, so it's ready to go. I'll go ahead and start welding a simple 5G. So with most of the stainless steel welding, it's obviously cleanup afterwards that makes your welds look really good. I'm going to buff this real quick just so you can see it better. Here's some other welds I put together to show you. This right here is a 1-inch stainless steel pipe, Schedule 10, and I prepped the bevel with a slight edge on it, and it allowed me to get full penetration on the inside. And it's just a 2-pass weld with the root and the cover pass. Here is some square tubing structural welds that were typical that we did at the plant for pipe supports. This one right here has 1 pass. It's a thin square tubing, but depending on the thickness of the supports we welded, we obviously welded more passes on it. This one here has 2 passes, just to show you a wider bead. Here's some round bar that we used also for the head. Here's some carbon pipe that I've welded. It's 6-inch in diameter, it's Schedule 80, and you can see the roots slightly in there a little bit. And here's the cover pass. So I do have my own welding setup here if needed that I can bring. I have a Miller MaxStar 200, and it has a 75-80 foot power extension cord. I've got the dual regulator for any kind of purge welding, and simple stuff like a tri-stand I can bring and make it easy. Here are the basic certifications I got just at the local Mountain Land Applied Technology College for shielded metal arc welding and for gas tungsten arc welding. And this is they certify you in a 3G, 3/8 thick plate stick weld uphill. And this is all the certifications I have in hand. The 2 companies I worked with, Water and Power and Rocky Mountain Stainless, I certified through them, and they hold on to those. But those are, one was a Purge 6G stainless tube test, and one was a 1-inch, it's like super coupon, I think it was Schedule 120, and stainless purge weld as well.